What's up, fellas? We're going to try to do this morning a little bit of truck stuff. We're going to take a 17 regular F-250 and take some 17 F-250 King Ranch wheels and try to install them on this regular truck and see if we can't make the appearance a little bit better. And we're going to try to show before and after pictures. Bear with me, this is my very first video, so we'll try to make it as short and interesting as possible. We're fixing to pull into the shop where we're going to do the switcheroo, and we'll show you a quick walk around and try to see if we can't show you something interesting about trucks. Okay, we've made it to the shop. Let's see if I can do a quick walk around from the side and the front and show a little bit of this difference. Okay, I'm going to show you the tire size real quick, what we're dealing with. The factory, see if it'll show up, a 245 75 17 is what we're going to take off. A Michelin. We're going to install the King Ranch Michelin also. A 275 65 20. Should make a huge difference. We're fixing to find out. Okay, I just thought of something mid-video. When we change these tires in and out, I'd like to see the measurement, how tall from the fender to the ground. So I went and got a measuring tape, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but 41 inches with these little tires. So we'll check back in just a second with the other measurement. Okay, we've just got our tires and wheels switched over. And I want to give a quick shout out to the guys that helped us doing that. Two Brothers Tire and Auto. I don't know if you can see their card. We'll drop a link in the video. We'll pull over next and show you the difference before and after with the new shoes. Okay, we've finally got the switcheroo done. See if I can't back up a little. We measured earlier, it was 41 inches from the front fender to the ground. This is 42 and a half. So we've gained 1.5 inches. So we went from the stock that came on the truck 17" to the King Rat's 17/20" factory tire, and it seems to look a little better. So hopefully you like the video and can get something from it. Thank you.